In this video, I am taking strawberry fruit scrap vinegar and making strawberry vinaigrette dressing. But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe, because I do videos on those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. So I recently made this strawberry fruit scrap vinegar after watching a video made by my friend Mary at Mary's Nest. And after I made the vinegar, I thought, so now what am I going to do with it? And I thought, what a better thing to make with it than some strawberry vinaigrette dressing. And it's really timely because two other friends of mine, Luann at It's Always Something Around Here and Michelle at MyEverydayWifeLife, are hosting a collaboration where they are encouraging us to eat clean. And I've really been trying to eat cleaner this summer. Now, what does eat clean mean? Well, that means that you are eating foods that are not processed. They are more like they are straight from the farmer's market or from the garden or something like that. But they're not highly processed. They don't have a lot of additives and preservatives and things like that. So the more natural a food is, the fewer ingredients that are in it, the cleaner that it is. And I thought, well, I would make some clean eating strawberry vinaigrette dressing. So let's get that started. Now, most vinaigrette dressings are made with about the same few ingredients. You need a little bit of olive oil, a little vinegar, some salt, some pepper, a little bit of a sweetener, be it honey or agave or something like that, and then whatever secret sauce you plan to put in it. Well, my secret sauce is going to be strawberries because I want this to be a strawberry vinaigrette, and I want to get a really robust strawberry flavor. And I'm also going to use some honey made locally from a honey grower, or I should say a honeybee keeper that's not too far from where I live. And this particular honeybee keeper or honey grower is in Huntington, Indiana. Let me bring you up closer so that I can show you the goodies, and then I will also show you the bottle of honey. And this honey is so good. It is delicious. I ran into these people, and it is the Sweet Life Honey Farm. I ran into them at the Home and Garden Show. They had a booth there, and I tasted their honey, and I'm like, oh my goodness, give me a bottle. And it was really, really delicious. And I enjoy supporting locally grown businesses when I can. So now let me bring you up closer so that you can see everything you're going to need. So you're going to need 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and I am using my strawberry fruit scrap vinegar. You also need 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm using avocado oil. Olive oil is what most people use, but I like using avocado oil, and I've got it, so why not use it? So 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. I'm also going to have a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, ground black pepper, as well as a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then here's my delicious honey, and then again 2 tablespoons of honey, and then of course about a 1/2 pound to 3/4 pound of fresh strawberries. And I've already cleaned them, cored them, that kind of thing. So now I'm going to put them all in my blender. And I'm using my Vitamix, which I always use, and I'm going to just drop in the strawberries first, add my salt and pepper, my oil, my vinegar, and my honey. Now I'll put the lid on and let it process. Let's pour some out and give it a taste. You can see the consistency of it right there. It's nice and liquidy. And this particular recipe makes about 8 ounces, so just enough for 3 or 4 salads. It's delicious. It's really good. It's nice, it's tart, it's tangy, it's got a great strawberry flavor, and just enough salt and pepper to give it just a little bit of savory. I'm loving it. So all we need to do now is put it on a salad. So let's get that out. I will try to find the link for the Sweet Life Honey Farm in Huntington, Indiana, and link it below in the description box. They do have a website and you can order things online, and I think you will really enjoy this honey. It is absolutely delicious. So as I said, I will link it below. And I just thought I would just kind of show off my fruit scrap vinegar just one more time, my strawberry fruit scrap vinegar. I think it turned out so nicely. I'm just really pleased with it. And I want to thank Mary at Mary's Nest for posting the video that showed me how to make the fruit scrap vinegar. And I will admit, I did send her a couple of messages and ask her several questions during the brewing process. So I want to thank her for that. And let me also take this opportunity to thank Luann at It's Always Something Around Here, and Michelle at MyEverydayWifeLife, and Leesah at Leesah's Cottage, I think is what it is. But Leesah for hosting this clean eating collaboration. I was wanting to get back to clean eating, and I was trying to think of what I could make to enter their clean eating collaboration, and my fruit scrap vinegar made from strawberry tops was the perfect thing to make with that, because all the ingredients that are in it I pretty much made myself, or I know exactly what's in it, and there aren't anything in it that I can't pronounce. So let's get that salad up. Now let's put a little salad dressing on this salad. And let's give it a taste. It's delicious. It's really good. I like iceberg lettuce. So I've just got some simple iceberg lettuce with some spinach leaves, a few carrot shreds, and fresh strawberries. So it's delicious. It's very, very good. I always enjoy the opportunity to show off healthy eating and healthy cooking, and clean eating is certainly one way to eat healthily. If you are not familiar with Luann at It's Always Something Around Here, or Michelle at MyEverydayWifeLife, or Leesah at Leesah's Cottage, I will link them below so that you can check them out. You will certainly enjoy what each of them does on their particular channels. And if you like this video, this strawberry vinaigrette made by my fruit scrap vinegar, I will link the video above and below where I actually made the fruit scrap vinegar, and I will also link the video where I made some strawberry jam. And the fruit scrap vinegar is actually a part of my Fruits of the Season series. So if you want to check out some of the other videos that I've made highlighting the fruits of the season, I'll link that playlist above and below as well. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.